If you can answer at least 20 out of 30 in this general knowledge quiz, you are a genius. Let's begin. Question 1. Which professional helps people with their legal rights? Option B, lawyer. Question 2. What do you call a formal choice between candidates? Option B, election. Which emoji represents a feeling of great joy? Option C, laughing face. What common household item makes a ticking sound? Option C, clock. Which social media logo features a white ghost? Option C, Snapchat. Would you rather travel to the past or future? Option B, future. Complete this common phrase, piece of. Option A, cake. What is 0.75 written as a fraction? Option B, 3/4. What is 50% of the number 200? Option B, 100. What is 15 multiplied by 4? Option C, 60. If I have 3 apples and buy 4 more, total. Option B, 7. How many sides does a standard pentagon have? Option B, 5. Lightning round. What is the capital of France? Option D, Paris. True or false, the sun is a star? Option A, true. Which would you prefer, sweet or savory? Option A, sweet. Rapid fire. What color is an emerald? Option C, green. This object has teeth but cannot bite. What is it? Option C, comb. If all roses are flowers, is a red rose a flower? Option A, yes. What happens if you leave ice in the sun? Option B, it melts. In a spot the difference, what usually changes? Option D, all of the above. Which event happens first in a standard day? Option B, breakfast. Who is credited with inventing the light bulb? Option B, Edison. What is the official currency used in Japan? Option C, yen. Which country is famous for the dish sushi? Option B, Japan. Which language is primarily spoken in Brazil? Option B, Portuguese. In which year did World War II end? Option B, 1945. What instrument is used to measure air pressure? Option B, barometer. What is the primary cause of a tsunami? Option B, earthquake. Question 29. Which of these is a renewable energy source? Option C, solar. Question 30. What force pulls objects toward the Earth? Option C, gravity. Out of 30, how many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun quizzes.